get some power on the camera, you need to put in a battery. This is the battery. You put it in here and press firmly down until it says a click, and then you have battery on your camera. When you're going to take it off, there is a button here, you press it in and then you push up and then you take off the battery. To connect the power supply on the camera, this is the adapter for the power supply. You put it in the same place where you put the battery, press firmly down, and there you are. When you're going to take it off, push in this button and take off the adapter. To turn on the camera, this is the way you do it. Press in here and then you turn up here so it's punching on. And then over here on the other side you can see that the camera is turned on and it's in camera mode. To switch between camera mode, which is this one, and the PC mode where you can see your files you have been recording, this is the mode button. You press this one and then you see it's lighting green down in PC. So now it's working as a viewer so you can see the clips you have been recording. The camera has a built-in microphone which is sitting here on the top of the camera. This is not the best microphone, so it's a good idea to connect external microphones, and that you can do here. You have two external plugins for the microphones. When you have plugged in a microphone here, you turn around the camera and here on the side, here, you can select whatever each channel will be, the internal microphone or the external microphone. Here you also have the option of putting the phantom power to the microphones. Many professional microphones are using 48 voltage, or also called phantom power, so they can be working. And down here you can adjust the sound level, so you can turn up and down for the microphones on the camera. That's a good idea to have a look at. In your viewfinder you have a bar where it's indicating how high or low your sound is. You also need to have something to record on, and this camera is using the P2 card. And on the back on the camera you open this one and then you put in the card, and it has two slots, slot 1 and 2, and as soon as you put in the card you see it's flashing here, it's reading on the card to see if it's ready, and as soon as it's lighting constantly, it's ready for recording, and you can close this one. When you have put in the card, it's time for adjusting or setting the recording quality on the camera, whatever you want it to, in standard definition, on high definition, in 720 or 1080. Press the menu button on the left side on the camera. Go down and choose menu number 5, that's a recording setup, like this. And in here you have different options, and the one on the top is the record format. You select that one, and then you can go down and choose the format you want to record in. We're going to take the 1080i, which is interlaced and 50 frames. And that's it. Now you're recording in high definition. To adjust the focus on the camera, you have this one on the left side on your camera. This is the focus, and when it's on A, it's on automatic, so it's doing that automatically for you. But in many cases you want it to be manual, so you put it down on the M, and then you have the ring out here you can adjust the focus on. You have a focus assist on this camera, and this is the button. You press it here, and then you can see in your viewfinder in the middle it's highlighting something or making it bigger, and it's zooming into a part of the picture, so you can adjust the focus on that one. To adjust the white balance on the camera, you have the button here on the front of the camera, which you point the camera at something white, zoom completely in so the white is covering the picture, holding this button in for some time, and then your screen is turning on and off, and then you have adjusted the white balance. Oh yeah, and one of the most important parts on this camera are this red button. That is the key one you're going to use a lot. This is starting and stopping your recording. You have one on top of the camera as well, and that has exactly the same function.